my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of each leaf and very taste. I shall always strive to equality of it. I shall respect my parents, teachers, and elders. Seek everyone with courtesy to my country and my people. I praise my devotion in their well-being and prosperity, Lord. Bless my happiness. Thank you. Thank you, Mom.